Greetings everyone, this is Danny from HarrTravel.com, your Royal Caribbean cruise experts, and today I'm on board the beautiful Navigator of the Seas sailing from Los Angeles. Now this particular category is an interior promenade. Now there's quite a few reasons why you may want to think about upgrading from an interior to this. We'll take you through that and the space here in just a minute, but keep in mind when you're ready to book your next room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can take advantage of the interactive deck plans to pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value and get the Harr Travel signature service every step of the way. Now let's check out the room. Now as soon as you walk in the door to your left, you're going to have your storage. So I've got two doors here that will open up. You've got storage all the way across for hanging storage. Those will pull down for more. Of course, you can get more hangers if you need. You've got your safe over in the corner, perfect size for a wallet, passport, not quite big enough for a laptop. And then you've got shelves all the way up and down. If you're tall like me, you can even have a little bit more storage space up above. Now directly across, you're going to find a couple hooks where you can put your coat as you head on in. And then let's step into the bathroom. Now this is the same bathroom you're going to find on most of the rooms here on board the ship. You've got your vanity here. You've got storage tucked behind the mirror all the way up and down. A little bit of storage underneath as well. Toilet tucked in the corner, towel rack up above and on the sides. And I'm going to step in the shower here. It's pretty good size, to be honest with you. It's an older ship that's been renovated, and I love the idea that you don't have a shower curtain. You've got the bowed out shower door, so I actually fit in here. Adjustable shower head up and down, and then you've got a nook here for your amenities. As we continue into the main space, you're going to have a floor-to-ceiling mirror here to get ready. You've got your bed. Now, it's in the Royal Queen configuration right now, which means they can separate it apart into two twins if you'd like, or have it together. There's plenty of space underneath for storage of your baggage. You're going to have a reading lamp on either side. I like that they have a directional reading light so you can read in bed without disturbing your partner. You've got storage in the nightstand on either side, and the phone on the other nightstand actually has a USB charger built in that you can utilize. Now across, you're going to find your flat panel TV. It's fully interactive, so you can see what's going on throughout the ship in addition to watching television. You've got storage all the way up and more drawers here as well. Now this particular one is a connecting variety, so you've got a door that'll go right through here. And I find for a lot of families, this is a great configuration because you have two bathrooms now. Most of the suites actually only have one bathroom, and so when you're traveling with a family, sometimes that's a good fit to have two balconies or a junior suite with a balcony. You can see those on our channel as well. Now as we continue along, you're going to find a love seat right over here on the side, and directly across you're going to find your writing desk that doubles as a vanity. So you've got storage up and down inside the mirrors themselves. You're going to have a Euro plug over here and two US plugs. I always bring an extra European adapter or converter so I can utilize all the plugs in the space. Once again, I mentioned this can be a writing desk as well, and then you're going to have your mini fridge tucked down in the corner. A little bit of storage here on the corner here. And then you're going to find your love seat that actually overlooks the Royal Promenade. So keep in mind that as you go up higher, there's 3 levels of these. The top level has a little bit more privacy and it's slightly angled down, but you can always pull the shears or you can pull the blackout curtains for privacy as well. Now they'll do different kinds of entertainment events. You're going to have maybe the Almost Village people you'll see when they do the 70s night, or they'll do the different parades, but keep in mind that you can get a little bit of noise here from that. So if you're ultra sensitive to that, you may want to avoid this category. But if you want to do a little bit of people watching, have a little bit of participation, maybe without having to go down and do it, or I love to even sit here and read. This is that perfect upgrade option that's going to be just a little bit more than an interior or a virtual interior. Now, when you're ready to book this room or any room or suite with Royal Caribbean, Celebrity, or Silversea, make sure you do it right on HarrTravel.com. You can pick the perfect room or suite for you, your friends, family, or group at an incredible value.